Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo, or Ian is... No, that's not Ian is a Weirdo. Too many channels to keep track of. I just wanted to send a reminder out there to everyone who didn't see my original video that I am doing a giveaway right now. So if you go and watch that video, it is a video immediately prior to this one. I discuss what I put in the giveaway, which was a bunch of different types of yarn, like literally all different types of yarn that I've had for a while that I just never get around to using because I never can figure out the project to use with it. It's not that there's anything wrong with the yarn. The yarn's awesome. But there's like a huge variety of yarn in there, and it's a pretty sizable box that's filled up. So if you are interested in free yarn, which who among us isn't, feel free to go check out my other video. I will post the link to it in the description box below. It is US based. Unfortunately, I can't afford non-domestic shipping. I probably barely can afford domestic shipping. So, yeah. But this is for my birthday as well as Mel's birthday. The giveaway ends on November 2nd at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Sorry, I had to burp. I ate pizza. It just happens. Yeah, so if you wanna enter it, I definitely suggest you do, because free yarn is awesome, and there's not a whole lot of comments on there. I'm gonna be picking from the comment selection using a random comment selector. So it could be anyone, and your chances of winning it are really good. So go check it out. I'll put the link below, and hopefully I will see you around for more fun times. Talk to you later. Bye.